like it?
Oh my god.
Kevin said it's so funny to watch.
What the heck is he doing?
He's eating peanut butter. He's going a mile a minute.
Tail. He's liking it, I think.
You could hear him go. Sounds like a dog.
You want more? You want more? You want
I'm putting that spoon back in my jar.
you... No, he didn't finish it. You want more? Oh my god, he can't stop licking it.
Why?
Look at him. Simba.
Looks a little skinny.
That's why we're giving him peanut butter.
He will be quiet.
Ken's gonna be like, the hell are they doing to him? Oh my god.
Look at this dog.
No, he
He finished it.
pretty much. He stopped taking the spoon.
What are you taking?
I'm taking the spoon.
Why? Look at him staring at him.
Are you done? Simba, don't lick me. Are you done?
Talk to him and give it some.
Ask Nanny for another spoon.
Hey, Nanny. I think we need some more peanut butter down here.
It's just a little different.
He's still licking himself.
No, here.
He loves peanut butter.
Oh my god, he's loving it.
He's licking himself no matter what.
He cleaned it. Is that good? Is that good?
Here comes this peanut butter.
You want more? Okay, this is it though. Come over here. Simba, over here. There you go.
Hey, Simba, you like
There
peanut
you go. Look at you.
face.
All over. You gotta clean your face.
I think he has no
Yes,
problem.
you do. Look.
I think he has no
Gotta
problem.
clean your face off. No, I need the spoon back.
Alright, you let the dog loose.
Yeah.
We will.
Be quiet. Your belly's hanging out. That's what you do.
We're feeding him peanut butter.
Oh, that'll poison him.
No!
What Kevin does is it's so funny. He's got little tubs. And he puts the peanut butter on the roof of their mouth. He goes, and it's so funny. Try to watch him get the peanut butter off the roof of their mouth. So
Is it good?
giving them peanut butter.
Is it good?
Yeah, you're ready. Kind of tangled, bubble cup. Yeah.
Tell him what you want to do with the insurance, right?
Yeah. If you got something you do better, they got
Okay, finish it up and then you're done. Oh, you want the back?
right away.
This is some dog. And guess what? Did you know who likes his nuts? You know who likes his nuts?
Who?
Winter.
Good.
He cracks open nuts.
Good?
You know who he does?
Are we good? Are we good, Simba?